Family-owned since 1960, Bargreen Ellingson is a leading food service supply and restaurant design company in the industry. With the largest selection of food service products in the western United States, they are focused on offering the best service and largest selection to the food service industry.
I'd probably get 20 orders. I'd print out my orders, and then I would start laying those pieces of paper out in front of me using a pen and going through a catalog, flipping through, looking for the item, trying to figure out what the item was and what page it's going to be on the catalog. And then I'd price it out and multiply my discount using a calculator, and then basically take me 8 hours to go through all of those 20 purchase orders, verifying what it was, what the price was, and then sending it off to the factory. Now it's a lot faster. I'm doing about 150 POs a day, and it's so much quicker. I can just start typing the item number in, and it populates images of what it is, where it's coming from, how much it weighs, all of the information that I need to verify on my purchase order before I send it off to the factory. It even gives me contact information for the factories, email addresses for the key people at the factories where I need to send the PO. From the sales side, it's able to quote a customer a price and know that that's the correct price and that the factory is going to agree to sell it for that item.
Being territory sales rep, I do everything from just printing a spec sheet from Auto Quotes to a full smallware and equipment quote. I can also use it just to see what the freight class is for something, or how a case of plates is packaged so that I know how to price it. Auto Quotes really helps to make me be an expert in my field, because I cover a wide range of products, and it's difficult to be an expert in every type of product that I'm responsible for selling.
I use it daily. I use it to produce quotes, create quotes, and all that. quoting, everything. I'll get a lot of documents from a general contractor, and they'll tell me like exactly what it is that they want. So I just go into Auto Quotes, into the catalog, and request that. It helps me so I don't have to necessarily bug the vendor reps, and then I can just get it myself, and it's one click versus click. Oh, I love Auto Quotes. That's great. I need it.
Taking care of customers much more efficiently and accurately.
It's just so easy and so informative, and makes my life so much easier that it's a blessing.
How do you AQ? Contact us to learn more or tell us your story.